Hey everyone, I'm Jim with Colton RV and Marine, and yet again we're here with the boat of the week. A little gloomy outside, but warmer weather is here to come for the weekend. What we have to show you today is a pre-owned boat, something we haven't done yet for you guys. We do trade in a lot of boats with the sale of our new boats. This behind me is a 2018 Bennington 23 SPDX. It's a great boat to take your family on with the layout we're about to show you in the inside. But the outside you can see is a gorgeous boat with a champagne stripe, navy blue with a double bimini that you don't see on a lot of pontoon boats. It's an added feature to get everybody out of the shade, or into the shade out of the sun. What I like about this boat the most though is the extended deck it gives you while you're swimming. It also comes with a ski tow bar and this monster. So it has a 250 horse Yamaha VMAX. A little bit souped up model of a boat or motor. It has a stainless steel prop. This motor has 201 hours on it, so it's lightly used as a 2018. But check out the inside. We'll love to show you the inside and all the variations that you can do with the layout. All right, so moving on to the interior of this boat, you can kind of see the layout is not something that you see every day on pontoons. It is a bar boat or a picnic boat. What you see is the larger dinette table. It allows you to take those paper plates off your laps and put them on the tabletop. So you can kind of see you have plenty of room here. All these seats swivel and they also fold down for storage. You can actually remove these seats too to allow your floor plan to flow a little bit easier if you have a lot of people on the boat. A lot of people like to remove this seat in particular just for flowing of the swimming traffic. But it's a great boat. It has RGB lights, so it has floor lights, cup holder lights, and then this table also has a strip of light around this. And then moving back here, you have a prep station that also has a light band going around the prep station. So at night, it illuminates this boat and actually gives it off a pretty good vibe. Moving up through the helm behind Mike, you've heard me talk a lot about elevated helms in boats. This boat actually features the opposite. So there is no elevated helm on the floor, but what it gives you is it gives you the bolster seat. The bolster seat will still put you up above your rider in the front. That allows you to give that nice safe line of sight. This boat also comes equipped with a kicker stereo, Bluetooth. All those speakers are lit as well. Comes with a massive ski locker on the floor that you guys are looking at next to us. It does have a fish finder and a chart plotter. And then moving up through the bow as I sneak past you guys, the front bed's kind of a dual layout with the table in the back of the boat. It still gives you the benches to lounge out. Still, again, both sides. What I like about Bennington too is when you come out to your front deck, again, plenty enough space to get on and off as you're docking. But if you guys want a big motor, but a nice clean used boat without that big price tag, this 2018 hits the mark. It's a very clean boat. If you guys would like to test drive this boat, because we do not have a concert this week, feel free to give me a call. My number is 716-694-0188, extension 425. Like I said, we can bring this boat out for you guys to demo, enjoy, but it is a piece that you would definitely want to come this weekend to check out. So give me a call. Again, my extension is 425, 716-694-0188. Here at Colton, it's all about the experience, so come and have fun with your favorite boat salesman in Buffalo. Thanks, guys.